Hello, good morning students. Now in the previous lecture we started exercise 2.4 and question number 1 and 2 I solved. In question number 1, one part I left for you, I think you have done. Now actually written that these questions are not for the point of view of examination, but we should prepare this kind of questions. So remaining 3 questions of this exercise we are going to solve. Question number 3 is very interesting question. I am reading the question. See it. If the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, a and a plus b, then find a and b. This is question number 3 of exercise 2.4. Third question. See, given polynomial is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. Zeros are a minus b, a and a plus b. So we have to find the value of a and b, right? See, what kind of polynomial is this? This is cubic polynomial. This one is cubic polynomial. So its degree is 3, so we must have 3 zeros, and 3 zeros a minus b, a and a plus b are given. So with the help of the criterias we have to find the values of a and b. Let's see what is the sum of zeros. See, I am writing sum of zeros is writing minus b upon a. This time coefficient I am writing in capital letter because a small letter is already given in the question. So I am writing it as a capital letter. Sum of zeros is minus b upon a. What is minus b? Minus b is the coefficient of x square and a is coefficient of x cube. Zeros are a minus b plus a plus b is equal to minus, and in place of b is minus 3 upon a is 1. See, minus b and plus b will go. We have a plus a is 3a is equal to minus into minus plus 3. So a is equal to 1. We have got a is equal to 1. Now we have to find b. So product of zeros is what we write? Minus d upon a. Minus d upon a. What is d? D is the constant term. A is coefficient of x cube. Product, see, a minus b into a plus b is equal to minus 1 upon 1. D is 1. Now put the value of a, we have got 1. See, 1 minus b into 1 plus b is equal to minus 1. Multiply this one, there is no change. We have a formula 1 minus b into 1 plus b, that is x minus y and x plus y. So this is 1 minus b square is equal to minus 1. Send this one this side. We have minus b square is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus b square is equal to minus 2. This will go. Now square root, we have to find the value of b. So b is equal to plus minus under root 2. Square root is always negative and positive. So answer is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to plus minus under root 2. This one. Got this question? In the question what was given? It was given that a cubic polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 and its three zeros are a minus b, a and a plus b. Then we have to find the values of a and b. So using the relationship of coefficient and zeros, sum of zeros is minus b upon a, since we have noted capital alphabet because a and b is given already in the question. And sum, we have put the sum, we have got the value of a, and after that we can apply product of zeros minus d upon a, and after that, after getting solution, we can get the answer, right? So you can pause the video to note down the solution. Now question number 4. Fourth question is just like the question in exercise 2.3. Question was given, question number 3 means we are given a polynomial of degree 4 and two of its zeros are given and other find. Question is, if two zeros of the polynomial x to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 are 2 plus minus root 3, find other zeros. See what is given. Given polynomial is x to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35 and given two zeros are 2 plus minus root 3, 2 plus minus root 3. So we have to find the other one. What is the sense to write 2 plus minus root 3? Means 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Two zeros are. So what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is 4. So its 4 zero must be there. Its zeros will be 4 in number. Two of the zeros are given and we have to find the other two. Now let's see. Two zeros are given. Then with the help of two zeros we can find a quadratic polynomial, because quadratic polynomial has degree 2. Its two zeros are and two zeros are given. So with the help of these given zeros we can find out a quadratic polynomial. So how to find? I have told earlier, we write like this: quadratic polynomial of given zeros. How? K times of x square minus sx plus p. What is the idea of sx and p? S stands for sum of zeros, p stands for product of zeros, right? तो we write here, see, k times of x square minus sum of zeros, see, 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 times of x. These two zeros are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3, and plus 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. See, minus root 3 plus root 3 will go. Here we have k times of x square minus 4x. How 4x? 2x, 2 plus 2, 4x. And here a plus b and a minus b formula. So we have 4 minus 3. Why 4 minus 3? It is a square minus b square. 2 square is 4. Root 3 square is 3. So we have k times of x square minus 4x plus 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we have to remove k. What is the value of k? Whatever the LCM of the bracket is, that is value of k. So we have x square minus 4x plus 1 is a factor. This is a factor of polynomial. Now, if it is factor, so this polynomial, quadratic polynomial, can divide this completely. So let's divide. See, x square minus 4x plus 1 divides x to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. See, let's divide. How many times we can divide? This is x to the power 4 and here we have x square. So x square times. So x square into x square, this is x to the power 4 minus x square into 4x, this is 4x cube, and x square into plus 1 is plus x square. Subtract minus, plus and minus. This will go. What we have? Minus 6x cube plus 4x cube. We have minus 2x cube. Here 26x square minus x square minus 27x square. And note down the other terms. Plus 138x minus 35. Divide. This is minus 2x cube. Here we have x square. The coefficient is minus 2 and x times. This is minus 2x. So minus 2x into x square minus 2x cube minus 2x into minus 4x. Minus into minus plus 2 4s are 8x square plus 8x square and minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x. Again subtract. This becomes plus, minus and plus. This will go. Is it? Say minus 27x square and minus 8x square minus 35x square. See, this is 138x and now plus 2x plus 140x and minus 35. See, this is minus 35, coefficient is minus 35. Here x square, so minus 35 times, minus 35 times. So minus 35 into x square minus 35x square minus into minus plus 35 4s are 140 x and 35 1 35. Subtract plus minus and plus, all will be cancelled. Remainder is 0. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is x square minus 2x minus 35 is the quotient, and you know quotient is also the factor of the polynomial. So we write, therefore x square minus 2x minus 35 is factor of polynomial. Now what to do? We have to factorize this polynomial. So since we have no space that side, so I am factorizing here. See, I am factorizing here. What is that? X square minus 2x minus 35. Find the factor of 35 to get the difference minus 2. So 7 5 35, 7 minus 5 is 2. So x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. Here x is common. X minus 7 plus 5 is common. X minus 7. So x plus 5 and x minus 7. Now zeros are x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x is equal to minus 5, and x minus 7 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 7. So what is the answer? Answer is 5, 7. Means for this polynomial of degree 4, 2 zeros were given and we had to find 2 more. So 2 zeros are minus 5 and 7. Minus 5 and 7. Right? So you can pause the video to write its solution. Understood? All right. Now one more question to go in this exercise. Let's see. In this question, let's see what is given. Question is, if the polynomial x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10 is divided by another polynomial x square minus 2x plus k, then the remainder comes out to be x plus a. Find k and a. See, polynomial is x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. Divisor is x square minus 2x plus k. Remainder is x plus a. So we have to find the values of k and a. See, in this question if we divide this polynomial by this, we will get some remainder, and we are given also a remainder. So simply we have to compare the remainder to get the answer. Let's see. I am going to divide by long division method. See, keep in mind how to divide. See, I am dividing x square minus 2x plus k to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 16x square minus 25x plus 10. See, divide one by one. You know the rule of divisibility. Means we will continue division unless the degree of remainder is less than degree of divisor. So this is x to the power 4. Here we have x square. So x square times. See, x square into x square is x to the power 4, and x square into minus 2x minus 2x cube, and x square into k, kx square. Kx square is not in these terms, so we will write separately. See, plus kx square. Subtract minus plus and minus. This will go. See, minus 6x cube plus 2x cube minus 4x cube plus 16x square minus 25x, right? Minus kx square first and 10 in the last. Constant number we should write in the last. Now minus 4x cube here, so this is minus 4 times and x times. Minus 4x. So minus 4x into x square minus 4x cube minus 4x into this minus to minus plus 4 to the 8x square and minus 4 into k minus 4kx. Kx is not in the list, so we write letter minus 4kx. Subtract plus minus and plus. This will go. What is left? 16x square minus 8x square. What we have? 8x square left minus 25x minus kx square. Write this plus 4kx and plus 10 in the last. Plus 10 in the last. Now this is 8x square. Here we have x square plus 8 times 8 into x square, 8x square, 8 into minus 2 minus 16 minus 16x, 8 into k plus 8k in the last. Subtract minus plus and minus. This will go now. Now what is left? Kx square I am writing first. Minus kx square minus 25 plus 16 minus 9x plus 4kx minus 8k plus 10. Now see, degree of remainder is now x square, that is 2, and here degree is also 2, means we can divide minus k times. Minus k times. So minus k into x square minus kx square minus k into 2x minus plus 2kx. Kx is here. and minus k into plus k minus k square. We write, change the sign, plus minus and plus, this will go. Now what is left? See what is left here. We have minus 9x plus 2kx, minus 9x plus 2kx and plus k square minus 8k plus 10. This is remainder. This is remainder. See, remainder is, we take common x from here, so we have minus 9 plus 2k times of x plus k square minus 8k plus 10, means this is calculated remainder. This is calculated remainder, and this one is given remainder x plus a. So we will compare the two remainders. See, given remainder is x plus a. Let's compare. Minus 9 minus 2k plus 2kx, it is x plus k square minus 8k plus 10 is equal to x plus a. Try to understand. This side, right side, we have x, its coefficient is 1, and this side we have x, its coefficient is this much. So we compare both sides. Comparing both sides. So what we have? See, minus 9 plus 2k is equal to 1. Why 1? Coefficient of x this side is minus 9 plus 2k, and coefficient of x this side is 1. Send this 9 this side. So 2k is equal to 10, k is equal to 5. K is equal to 5. Now without x, this is a, and a is equal to this much. A is equal to k square minus 8k plus 10. Now we have got the value of k. Write the value of k. A is equal to 5 square minus 5 into 8 plus 10. This is a is equal to 25 minus 40 plus 10 is equal to minus 5. Minus 5. So what is the answer? Answer, k is equal to 5 and a is equal to minus 5. These are two answers. This is very interesting question. Now you should understand this. You should practice this question again and time. This is interesting question. Got it? So this is all about your chapter and the last question of the exercise. Now in the next lecture we shall start the new chapter. Till then, God bless you. Thank you very much.